it's Craig Newton here. Today we're going to go the Thorpe Park. So like this is a vlog. So I try not film as much. It's kind of, well, it's been like torrential rain, so we heard it. Like while we were in bed we hear it. Oof, it's just like really heavy. So just fingers crossed. So yeah, I try to film like one each ride, so I do the best I can. So I hope you enjoy the video. There we go, it's this year again, Thorpe Park. Wow. It was raining earlier though.
Why would you queue there to go in?
Me and my mum.
Hi!
Yeah, we're here. Hopefully it stays off, but we've got the stuff for it anyway. So I remember last year it was pure nice.
Blue sky.
Down there. So I try not do videos much, but just try the best I can, so enjoy. So we're going on stealth first. We're going on the Hyperion next. Tallest and the fastest coaster. And that splashdown is still not working as well either. That's mad. Well, unfortunately it's fun down in there, like, you can see the back there. You see the lightning and all, that was crazy. Wasn't it, Mum? I was seeing that double, like, helicopter and all. Seen that. So we just stay under here because of the roof. Oh. It was nice, and then it's thunderstorms. Hopefully it goes by soon. That is a lightning strike, that is a thunder, that. Oh no. so that's us back. So I managed to film or going on every roller coasters that, and we went on the tidal wave the first time we went on the water ride. Like that was amazing. So I don't want to like film it because that splash at the front. No, like that was amazing. No. So we wear like a sort of jacket type thing that you can buy and put it on. So we wear one of them, so that was good. And it rained and thunder as well, so it's been a mixture of weather today. So hopefully it's going to be better the next day. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the vlog, and I'll chat to you go. And thanks for watching. Bye.